Hello everyone, in this video I want to join my device or my Windows 10 uh, machine to the Azure Active Directory. Now you can do a search like Azure AD Windows 10, something like that. Should be lots of documentation. Like here is one tutorial: join a new Windows 10 device with Azure AD during a first run. Now here what they're saying: prerequisite device registration service must be configured and enabled for the register service. So we'll have to see whether I have it. Now uh, this I already have everything installed, so this is not gonna work. But what I need to do, I need to use go and log into my Windows 10, and since I've already installed, I have to go and figure out how to set up the account and how to add my Azure email address so that I can connect my Windows 10 to my Azure AD. So let's just do that. Alright, I'm just starting up my Windows 10 that I have running inside my VirtualBox, and as soon as it opens up, what I'll do, I'll go to my user accounts settings and look at what kind of accounts I have there. So I have a couple of accounts that I created, the test account in my Azure Active Directory. I'm going to use one of them to test out this feature. Okay, let's see. Alright, so we are in our home screen. So let's try to join, log into this machine. So here I have just a local user account. I don't have anything special right now. So I'm just logging in as a local user to this system. So what I want to do, I want to register this device first with Azure AD email address, and let's see if that works. Alright, I'm in my Windows 10. So what I'll try to do, it's a little bit slow, and as soon as it comes up, I want to search for settings. Here is settings. I can click settings from here as well to get to my settings, and you can just bear with me. This Windows does not have a lot of RAM. Alright, so once we are here, we can go to the account section right here. Again, it's just a little slow. It should come up. Alright, once it's here, you can see this is a Windows user. What we want to do, sign in. We can go over here, access work or school. Let's see if we have enroll only. So here we have several different options. Set up an account for taking test, export your management log files, remove provisioning package, enroll only in device management. I think I'll go to the sign in options first. Let's see if there's something that uses. I'll go to the email and accounts. I'm just looking at all the information that I have. Here I have a add a work or school account. Let me try this one real quick and see if it takes my Microsoft domain account that I created, or Active Directory account. Let's see. As soon as it comes up, this is the what we're gonna use, SSPR2. Okay, let's try. Where is it? Okay, SSPR2 at Easy Labs. Let's copy this. Let's see if it Easy Labs 2021 Outlook. Can you paste it inside the virtual box? Let's see. Easy Labs 2021 Outlook. Come on. Again, the laptop is a little slow, so bear with me, please. I'm just gonna type Easy Labs 2021 Outlook dot on Microsoft.com dot on Microsoft.com. Okay, so now hit next and see if I'm able to. Okay, it's letting me sign in, so let's do try to log in. This one probably got a MFA enabled, this particular account. So what it's telling us, hold on while we register the device with the company and apply policy. This may take a moment. Okay, so let's just give it a moment, and we're all set. You have added your account successfully. Now you have access to your organization's apps and services. Just say okay, and here this account has shown up at this time. Okay, so that's good. And if I come back to my Azure portal at this time, okay, this is my Azure portal. Okay, and if I go down to the devices, there we go. Look at that. This is the device that Windows and owner is SSPR2, and there we go. So I have registered this particular device, and it's now showing up in my Azure Active Directory. Okay, you can look at device setting. In this device setting is really for you as administrator. You can, so that particular user was able to join that Windows machine back to this device management area of the Active Directory, because we have this setting to all. Okay, if you said none, no one can join their devices to this particular Active Directory. And the other thing, if you want, you can also enable the multi-factor. So when the registration process was happening, we could have requested, hey, you can, but you have to go through a multi-factor authentication before you can join the device. And you can also limit how many number of devices a particular user can register. So right now it's default to 50. You can have unlimited. You can have a much smaller number if you like. All right, so that's about it. That's how easy it is to register your device to the Azure Active Directory. Let's go back. I don't need anything else that I think I need to talk to you. So let's just go back to our Windows machine real quick, and access cooler work. So everything looks good. This is the account that I have now connected, and there you go. So that's all you need. So try it out. Make sure this feature is working for you and your Windows machine is showing up in your Azure Active Directory when you do that. Alright, that's all for this video. Hopefully it was useful. If you're taking the exam, just make sure that you kind of understand the setting under the Azure Active Directory and then settings, and they may ask you about some questions, who can register, and remember about this particular option, additional local administrator on Azure AD join devices. If you click on it, With Azure AD Premium, you can choose which users are granted local administrator rights to the device. So if you're a global administrator or you're the device owner, you guys are always granted local administrator rights by default. Okay, so we click over here and let's see if there's anything else that I wanted to discuss. Azure AD join, I mean, not much. And over here, yeah, I think we have covered everything that I wanted to cover. So recall multi-factor authentication, number of devices, I've already talked about this, and we have already registered our Windows 10 to Azure AD. All right, so if you're studying for the exam, good luck. Leave your comments. Thanks for watching.